SportsRender, in collaboration with Espai Hector, present Spotify Camp Nou, weekly update. Compression ring progress. The works on the compression ring are advancing at a strong pace and continue to be the primary structural focus of the entire Spotify Camp Nou project. Goal areas, roof structure. In both Goal North and Goal South, construction is progressing in the same phase: installation of vertical columns, positioning of radial beams, assembly of roof structure phalanges. Goal North, current works. The missing phalange has been successfully installed. Work is now focused on erecting the new column, installing the corresponding radial beam, assembling supporting structures. Extensive technical operations are underway on the upper levels, including welding, protective painting, anti-corrosion treatments, and installation of safety elements. The structure is being prepared for the placement of sandwich panels in the upper tiers. Facade slats preparation. In the slat sectors, supports, anchors, and guide wires are being systematically installed for precise alignment. This indicates that the large-scale installation of the facade slats is expected to begin very soon. Goal South, structural phase completion. Several temporary supports, puntales, have been removed, confirming the successful completion of a major structural phase in this area. Material deliveries and site activity. High activity continues with lifting platforms, cranes, and transport of new metal parts. Recent arrivals include components for the compression ring, facade slats, metal corner structures, diamond area and internal works. In the diamond area, concreting, formwork, and preparations for new columns are ongoing. Parallel works are advancing on mobility cores, elevator shafts, stairwells, and technical piping networks. Protective treatments. At Goal North, bolts and various metal components are receiving protective painting layers prior to final facade closure. Slat assembly and sandwich panels. The pace of slat assembly has increased significantly, with works now progressing much faster. A large number of sandwich panels are already stored in multiple stand areas, ready for installation in the coming days. Most active zones. The lateral sectors are currently the most active areas of the stadium, with high material volume, substantial workforce, and continuous operations. Overall project phase. This current phase marks a clear transition from the basic structural works to the final architectural envelope and appearance of Spotify Camp Nou. That was this week's detailed technical progress report. Thank you for watching SportsRender. See you in the next video.